soon to be divorced. Help me out of the jam I get, but I use a little too much force. So we drove that car as fast as we could, abandoning it out west. Split up on the docks that night with a feeling it was best. She turned around and looked at me as I was walking away. I said, true love, me and the kids take on the avenue. I had a job in Great Northern Woods, working as a tunnel spell. Never did like it all that much one day, yeah. So I drifted down to New Orleans, I was lucky to be employed. Working for a while on a fishing boat right outside the St. Louis. And all the while, I wasn't alone, the past was close behind. I fucked a lot of women, but she never stayed behind. I just grew. Tell you that I do. She was working a timeless place, and I stopped in for a beer. Kept looking at the side of her face in the spotlight so clear. Later on, when the crowd thinned down, I was just about to do the same. Standing there in the back of my chair, said, "Tell me, don't I know your name?" She turned around and looked at me, I sweated lines on her face. I must admit I felt a little uneasy when she bent down and tied the laces on my shoe. It's a tangled up in blue. On the stove, offered me a pipe. Said, "Hello, my friend, you look like a silent type." Then she opened up the arms and handed them to me, full of Italian poets from the 13th century. And all words rang true, flow like burning coal. And they oozed off me like raping my soul. Tangled up in blue. She had a apartment by New Street, basement downstairs. There was music in the cafes at night, and revolution in the air. She started out dealing in slaves, and something inside of her died. Had to sell everything she owned, and she froze up inside. All the while, about to burn out, I became a drum. Only thing I knew how to do was to keep on keeping on, like a bird that's blue, tangled up in blue. eyes. Don't know how long to fly. Don't know how they fuck up their hide. Me, I see long ago, we'll see what now. We're still on the role play, it's how we can see it from a different point of view.
Thanks, y'all. We're Cosmic Railroad. See you later.